Hello and welcome to the first episode of Miss Sweet Rants. So, if you're not familiar with what Miss Sweet Rants is about, I have done a basic introductional video which you can see here, wherever it is on the screen. Hopefully you'll know what a rant video is about, and you may not need to look at that video, but if you need a little update and a know-all, then it's there for you, it's there. So, what's my first rant today? It would be drive-by honking. Now let me explain what drive-by honking means, and probably some of you know what it is. It's when a certain person in a car drives at a certain speed and randomly blows out their horn to the extreme and continues to blow out their horn to the very end of the street. Their aim is to make everyone scared and tremble as they approach them. Something about that really aggravates me, and I'm sure people out there have experienced this type of idiotic behaviour. A couple of weeks ago I have, and you may have noticed that I've done a vlog about it. I think I said I would do a rant series about all the things that have happened while I was out and about. So here it is. So, drive-by honking. First of all, it's completely stupid, and what goes through the person's head is absolutely idiotic, and why on earth would you do such a stupid thing? Do you know that not everyone is stable to be frightened? That not everyone can cope with a sudden jump. Let's say if someone has heart problems, okay? And if you drove past them, what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? Come on, tell me. What will happen if you blare out your horn in front of a person who is in that position? Yes, you could easily kill them, couldn't you? Come on, tick those minds, people. Drive-by honking people, are you insane? I think you bloody well are. You are insane. Now, in my personal experience, I am a healthy individual. Yes, I could lose a bit of weight. I'm going to be completely honest. I'll try my best. But, you know, when those things happen, yes, I do jump. They do freak me out. But deep down, I do not really make it obvious that they terrify me. Yes, I feel like I'm going to explode within myself, but I keep calm and chilled. I do not give them the satisfaction that they were looking for. Yes, I flinch, but what really does grind my gears is that it will terrify the living daylights out of people if they do that. Drive by. Anybody could be walking on the street. Someone could die. Someone. And if someone's going to tell me in the comments that someone of a heart condition shouldn't be out and about, then really, look. Listen to yourselves. Listen to yourselves. People who have health problems should have an ordinary life. They can't just stay and do nothing all the time. They should carry on and live their life to the fullest. Yeah, be careful with certain things and don't overtire yourself, but just do something else. I mean, don't let one problem stop you from enjoying life. Even if you're popping up to town and buying your daily groceries or whatever, don't let a certain little thing stop you from doing anything. It's a very light and first topic for a first video, but yes, I hope it's okay. I wanted to get that off my chest, because when people do that, I think to myself, why are you speeding? That's not the correct speed limit for that area. Yeah, if you're on a motorway, then by all means, do what you want. Well, don't do what you want, just obey the highway code. I think the speed limit, or the proper speed limit, is 75 miles per hour on a motorway. You need to be really fast on those things, trust me, I've been there. One day I'll go back on that again. Yeah. Don't go ultra fast in the town and don't blare out your horn. Gotta be absolutely stupid. Absolutely stupid. Anything can happen. What if a child jumps out in the middle of the road? Kids don't know how to look out for cars. They're kids. But you, the driver of the car, should know what to expect and not drag race across a public environment. Yeah, give or take, it was probably like 2 o'clock, but little tiny kids could be out and about doing kid things, and if you hit them, then you're in deep trouble. Or would you just drive away? Pretend like it never happened? Would you just go and carry on driving and scare more people with your horn and forget about that kid? Hopefully no children have been affected by this, and I hope no one else has been affected by the over-dramatic horning. Horning, that's a word. I don't know how many times I'm going to say idiots in this video, but you have to understand, when people do this sort of thing, they are idiots. 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 Not the funny idiot, the stupid idiot. Well, not the stupid idiot, more like someone needs to learn what's real life kind of idiot. Okay. I was kind of expecting to be yelling, but no, I just wanted to complain. Complain and rant are the same thing, but I hope you can relate to what I said in this video, and I hope you enjoyed all the same. So, I'll love you and leave you, and I'll hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye! Or